Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to change chat settings in Fortnite. First, launch the Fortnite game on your device. Then log in to your account. Now click your profile icon at the top. Then select the gear icon with 3 lines to open the menu. And then click Settings. In the Settings tab, go to the Account and Privacy section, or the last option at the top. Here, scroll down to Social Privacy. Beside the text chat, choose the option you prefer. Either you turn it on or off. And that's how simple you can change your chat settings in Fortnite. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.